Introducing the limited edition Reinhold Würth 31-piece drill and screw driving set. This set has it all. This power tool accessory kit includes a 5-piece 1/4-inch nut setter set in all the right sizes. It also includes an array of posi drive, Phillips drive, and our favorite, the RW drive bits that are designed for our Aussie screws. This set also includes flat, hex, and Torx bits. And the magnetic one-touch quick-release bit holder couldn't be smoother. And now for the drill bits. These are designed for softwoods all the way up to steel and everything in between, and are packaged with the most popular sizes. So get ready to drill some adjustable shelf holes in style. Especially with the new Smart Step technology, be prepared to be amazed. Not only does this power tool accessory kit make an exceptional gift, it's also perfect for around the house. And the metal case is pretty awesome too.